Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you guys can see, if you ever focus, there you go. So it's by this brand right here. So if you guys remember this brand name, I actually reviewed one of the products in the past, which was the AirPod case wireless charger. This time they have this amazing product right here, which is a fingerprint ID sensor scanner to open this lock. So first thing first, let me unbox it and show you guys what it is and what it looks like first. So when you open the package, first thing you get inside is the actual lock itself. They provide you a micro USB to USB cable and an instruction guide of how to set the product and how to use all the functionalities on here. So that's everything that's in the package. Now let's actually show you guys the actual product itself. Alright, so here we have the actual product itself. Literally all you need is this little part right here to open it up. Bottom section right here, we have a slot to actually charge the product, and the thing that it uses is a micro USB cable to actually charge the lock. So once you plug it in, let it charge fully. Once it's fully charged, you guys will be able to know it's fully charged because this light will turn off after it's finished charging. So when it's charging, it'll be red. When it's fully charged, it'll turn off. And the way how it works is all you do is put your fingerprint on here and turns on, and it opens up. So how do you actually set up your fingerprint and lock it and delete all your fingerprints and whatever? I'm going to show you. So let's go do that first and then talk about the product after. Alright, so here we have the fingerprint ID lock. So pretty much how it works is all the instruction on how to set up and everything is all in the paper, but I'll show you guys how it actually works and everything. But first thing you want to do is make sure it's fully charged first using the micro USB cable that they provide you here, or you guys can use your own one and charge it to max. The way you know it's max charge is that when this light goes off and then it's ready to be used. So right now it's fully charged, but let me show you guys how to actually activate the lock to actually synchronize or recognize your finger. So all you have to do is press this down for 5 seconds first. Wait for the blue light. Once the blue light comes on, let go, and then you want to tap it 10 times. And then the lock is fully ready to be used. So if you guys lock it and try to use a different finger, it does not open. But if you guys use the right finger, it opens. So that's only one setting that you guys can use. So if you guys want to set 2 to 15 different fingerprints, you guys can do that as well. And all the instruction is on here. But I'm going to show you guys how to use the one fingerprint because that's one of the most important ones right now. And if you guys want to learn more, then feel free to buy the product. But when you guys actually use this product, if you guys end up giving this to someone else and they need to use their own fingerprint and you have to delete your own, the way how you delete it is by pressing it down for 10 seconds. So I'll show you guys. So just hold it down for 10 seconds until you see the blue light comes on twice. So that's once, and that's twice, and then you let go. And that's how you know it's deleted. So once it's deleted, you guys can actually use back any of your fingerprints again because you only set up one. If you guys set up more than one fingerprint, then you have to delete all of them. So right now, if you guys can see, any finger that you guys use would work and it actually opens up. So it's very easy to set up, very easy to use, and very safe because you guys don't actually need to bring keys and everything, which is really nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product and how to set it up, how to actually delete the fingerprint if you don't want to use it anymore. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, it costs around $28, and I believe right now if you buy it on their Amazon website, you guys can actually get like a discount of around like 5%. It's not much, but it's better than nothing. So for the price range of $28, would I say that this is actually worth it or not? Honestly, as a first-hand perspective and everything, I would have to say that it's quite cool and it's actually really amazing. And the price range is a little bit high, but we're getting the high-tech technology on here because it's not using an actual key to open it. It's using Bluetooth technology and it's chargeable. So with the technology, that's everything that's built on here, I have to say that it's quite worth it. But it really comes down to you guys as a consumer on whether or not you guys actually need it or not. Because if you're someone who don't really need to use it a lot, for like if you guys don't go to gym, you guys don't need to lock anything like a fence, a gate or anything, then obviously this is probably not worth it. And for the price range of this, for like $28, you guys can probably buy like 5 or 4 different of the regular locks with the keys. So that's one thing to consider when you guys are buying this lock if you guys actually do want to get one. but then it is a cool product. And one more thing that's actually really cool about this product is the fact that this product is actually waterproof. And if you guys want me to do the waterproof test, then let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll probably do one to show you guys whether or not that is the case or not. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan show of the day, we have